Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna learn a song by Ariana Grande titled Break Up With Your Girlfriend on Board. And we got the intro and the chords.
If you want to learn them, let's do this, alright?
Okay guys, so here's my interpretation for how the intro to this song goes, alright? So I start from the 15th fret and I have my finger on the A string. So you do 15 on the A string. Then you're gonna go down to your D string and you're gonna do 13 and 17. Now the next step would be doing the same pattern, but now you're gonna move your finger down to the D string and you're gonna start on the 15th fret and you're gonna do the same thing. Go down to the bottom string. In this case it's gonna be the G string, and you're gonna do 13 and 17. Here it goes again. Now there's a little part before you repeat all that, right? That's gonna be your 17 and 16, and you're gonna do 17 on your G string and then 16 on the B string before you start the pattern again, okay? So now that you know the numbers, let's just repeat it. You did good. Now let's move on to the other chords that we're gonna learn today. All right, let's do this. Okay guys, so now the chord that we're gonna do is to start with is gonna be C minor. How do you do your C minor? It's like forming a minor, right? But you're gonna use your finger to form a bar chord, your index finger, and it's pretty much something like this. You see that? There you go. That is your C minor, okay? Formed right here on the 3rd fret. Now, it sounds something like this. Now, the next chord, right, we're gonna do it in order, is gonna be an F minor. F minor is like doing an E minor, right? Like having your fingers right there, but you're gonna move it down this way to the 3rd fret, and you're gonna use your index to form a bar chord right here on the 1st fret. So it goes something like this. There you go. There you have it. See that? Booyah! Now the next chord, right? Next chord is gonna be a G minor, and G minor is gonna be pretty simple. If you knew how to do the F minor, well, all you gotta do is move your finger down this way, put your index on the 3rd fret, and these guys, like forming an E minor, they would go on the 5th fret, and that is your G minor. There you go, you got it. Here's pretty much how the song goes, alright? Let's see. Here it goes. C minor, F minor, G minor, C minor, F minor, G minor, C minor. Right?
The bridge.
And that's going to be a D sharp right here. We're gonna play it using, it's pretty much like doing a C chord. I don't know if you can see that. I hope, there it goes. It's like doing a C chord, but you're gonna have your finger, your index finger on the 3rd fret, and then try to form a C from there. There you go. So that would be your D sharp. Now from there, you're gonna do a D minor 7. How do you do that one? You put your index right here There you go. And it's like doing a A minor, but you're gonna have to pull your pinky out of the way, and this is what it would sound like. See that? I'm only using 2 fingers right here, like forming an A minor, but again, like I said, without the pinky finger there. So there you go. And the next chord is going to be a G7, guys, and you can do that by putting your finger right here on the 3rd fret and like forming a E major, but you take the pinky finger out. You see that? And that's what you get. And that is your G7 right there. D, another D, and a G. There you go. And that's how you do it, guys. Now let's put all of that into practice and see what it sounds like, okay? Here we go. Alright guys, so I had a little effect right there on the guitar, but this is what it would sound like, you know, if we do it clean, okay? Doing the same thing we did. Alright guys, well, that's the end of this. So if you like this episode, give us a thumbs up and come back and see us again. Don't forget to subscribe.